दिया आजा दिया फायर ब्रिगेड मंगवा दे तू। गाइस मैंने ना नाखून लगा लिए हैं और ये नाखून लगाने के बाद से ना मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ भी करना इज लाइक नॉट पॉसिबल। मैं इयररिंग्स भी नहीं पहन पा रही हूँ। Did it. Shobhika, will you marry me now? Please say my name. Wait, why is Diya not able to join? Diya, request भेजना bro एक बारी. Okay. Invite. Okay, wait. Request कहाँ है? Accept. I accepted your request. There she is! Woo! Wait.
I think this is the second time I'm going live after Playground.
Dude, I go live all the time. I say nothing and I leave. I say nothing.
I just don't like. I don't like the concept of live. I'm like, just talk to me normally, like
in person.
Send me DM requests.
Girl.
Okay. The thing is ना, मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है पढ़ने में.
ये बालों का क्या बना रखा है ना dude. Guys, give me some advice. I need to fix my hair. Jesus Christ.
I need to fix my hair, bro. What the fuck have I done with my hair?
Me and Arman did a live. Dude, everyone can see my earlobes so well right now, but I just need to put this fucking earring in.
हम लोग हिंदी में नहीं बात करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे रंबल अभी नहीं कट रहे हैं.
फिर तूने हिंदी में बोला bro. So तू already given कर चुकी है लोगों को.
I say my name.
I need to like something needs to cover my head. Like that's how bad my hair looks. There it is.
Wait. I was literally planning to do this, but I was like, no, I'm gonna look so extra.
Shobh, shave your head. Shivit को मेरे बालों से ना. Hi Shivit, वैसे बहुत देर से बात नहीं करी हमने. Congratulations on your bike. I saw that. Woo woo. But Shivit has always had a problem with my hair. Like playground में, sorry, Splitsvilla में मैं वो कहता था कि तेरे बाल लाल हैं, and then he used to.
Splitsvilla hair should have been in playground, and your playground hair should have been in Splitsvilla.
I think I should have never done that Splitsvilla hair because the lighting in Splitsvilla was such where it made it look like it was the exact same color as my skin tone.
Two worst enemies on this show, Arman.
Arman ने बोला ये.
Best friend on the show.
Arman is currently.
मैं कभी नहीं मिलना चाहूँगा after playground.
Okay, so I like. So Arman, Fuzzball. Me and I feel Fuzzball is just his like name. Tanuj sir is here. Hi Tanuj sir. Oh, they're like actually people here. Wow. Oh, great. Lol. Who would have thought?
I'm reading this quickly, bro. Like I can't.
That's
okay. Ask
fine. You
nice
focus
questions.
on. Yeah, I'll read them. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Two beauties in one frame. Yeah. जल्द ही हम एक ही साथ में बनाएंगे content. Like we will be in the same room. Hi Unnati. Who the hell likes your hair in this world, especially red? Bro, black तो you only said they were looking nice one time. Okay, bro. ठीक है. Red मेरे को भी समझ आ गया गलत decision करी थी मैंने. But I was young. I'm still young. Okay. Are you gonna go to Harsh and Roshali's show if they call me? I hope they will. Pyar unfiltered.
Well, I stuck to my.
We should go together.
Who, us? Yeah, bro. Let's become the lesbo couple of the reality show.
Bro, like, sure. तोरी वो वाला इस पे वो रील बना देंगे. तोरी कलाई it's मोरी कला. Oh, I think Bhavya's here. Hi Bhavya, what's up?
Hi dear, love you. Thank you, Rishabh Chaudhary.
Do you miss Khyati Shobhika? Why would I miss her?
Do you miss her?
Dude, actually, the other day I was watching वो जो हमारा video है ना जिसमें हम लोग ने वो twisted love किया था, and like I felt so bad for her, like the shit they made her do. I'm sorry.
I think I'm the most unaware person about what is happening around me because I don't know what you're talking about.
Dude, the video that we did यार जब फिनाले वाले रात को शूट किया था हमने जिसमें हम दोनों उसको जेल में बंद कर देते हैं.
You remember that? I thought some project that she did after Playground. I was like, why will I know?
I was like that day also. I was like, wow, bro, like y'all are just asshole. Like, cause like we're not friends, but that was super mean. Like, imagine if I go on a show now and then they make me like, you know, make me be like the person that I'm like kind of not, and like then they make me like do it in a music video style.
Oh, the best was when they got your bone for that हड्डियों
Oh
वाला thing.
God, oh
It was
God, I
so
don't even
funny.
think वो है episode में bro. And
Oh
मैंने
God.
bro वो shoot जब हमने किया था ना, I think you and I were the last girls to shoot our dance bits.
Yeah,
Were you
yeah.
even? I think you were
No,
even after me.
I was right after Unnati, so I was the second one. And then
So
yours was
I was the
taking
last,
most
and I
time
think
because
Dia
you're
was
so
after
good.
me. Sorry, not Dia. Ginny was after me.
Okay, yeah, Ginny was the last.
Because I know
Yours
एक
was
तो
good.
था मेरे बाद कोई इंसान, and we had shot the me and Himanshu wale parts. We had shot the you and me wale parts. We had shot the
Yeah.
Khyati me and
That
you
was
wale
like my
parts.
favorite day, honestly, on Playground. I was just like enjoying.
Bro, but we were like, हम लोग वो सोए, I don't think any of us slept that night.
मेरे को इतना गंदा फीवर हो गया था. I literally couldn't like. I think there are shots where I'm not even there in the frame when you guys are like playing
Yeah,
those
so actually that's why
bars
they
and
didn't show the
everything.
Twisted Love thing in the, like,
Yeah, I
to us
think
that day. But I remember the morning of the finale. Morning तो क्या ही सही, we shot everything for the finale. वो जो लड़ाई थी, लड़कियों की लड़ाई करी थी लास्ट हमने सुबह सुबह 7 a.m. में वो शूट किया था हमने 7-8 a.m. पे, and at like 11 a.m. the next morning we were getting ready for the finale. एंड हम लोग ने वो लड़कियों वाला शूट किया और हमें पूरा ऐसे गंदा गुंदा होके आई, एंड वैभव वाज इन बिकॉज वी वर इन आरसी. तो वैभव वाज देयर. दे टोल्ड अस दैट डे कि अपने ही कमरों में सोना है आज, हाँ, जो थे तुम्हारे. सो इट वाज मी एंड वैभव वर द ओनली पीपल हु हैड अ शेयरिंग बिकॉज एवरी अदर टीम हैड ओनली वन पर्सन. एंड मैं अंदर घुसी और वो ना सोने ही लगा था, और वो ऐसे उसने मुझे देखा, उसने पूछा भी नहीं ब्रो, उसने बस ना मतलब देखा और वो वापस सो गया.
I love sleeping, bro, so much. Like, I
That's
love
such
even
a
taking naps.
अच्छा
But like,
we
2 minutes से ज़्यादा सोने को मिलता नहीं था वहाँ पे. It was
bro,
horrible.
they used to let a lot of people sleep, huh? But only, chalo, let's not get into this.
No,
Arman
the thing
spitting
is,
facts. Arman ने क्या बोला?
हम
Arman ने क्या बोला?
लोग इंग्लिश में बात करते थे, इसलिए हमारे रंबल्स कटते थे. वो लोग सोते थे तो उनको लगता था कि हाँ चलो ये बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं कुछ भी, तो इनके रंबल्स काटने से कोई फायदा नहीं है.
So
Multiverse level collab this is.
Arman said Dia is too good. We would have probably been besties if only it wasn't for a specific person on the show, and everybody in the chat agrees.
No comments.
How can we go in Playground? Just tell us. I think Playground के लिए they reach out to you. I don't think it's a show you can just apply. Can you? Unless you're a gamer, I think.
You can.
How did you apply for
I
Playground?
got
Did
reached
you applied or they called you?
Reached
They
out.
called me. So I don't know. No, I think they reach out to. I personally do think they reach out to everyone. But if you're a gamer, maybe then you can apply. If that makes sense.
No,
I don't know.
I think everyone can apply.
No,
Obviously.
but कहाँ से उसका तो कोई application होता ही नहीं
जैसे
है
gamers
Playground पे.
apply करते होंगे वैसे ही normal लोग भी करते होंगे ना.
But what
I
I'm
guess.
thinking is, I don't remember, like, because for splits, I know there's a whole application thing, full process. Yeah, you send in a form, like, it's like that.
But like I think Playground is like one show which tests like all your like everything, every aspect of yours, like
It
from
tests
reading to
everything, and gaming is the oddest part of it. Everything else is very normal thing.
Exactly.
मैं
पर अभी तो हिंदी में बात कर सकती हो, अभी प्लेग्राउंड में थोड़ी हो आप, पर हो हम लोग से हिंदी में बात करते
Arman said I'm talking about you, Unnati. अगर तू नहीं होती तो bestie. फायर ब्रिगेड मंगवा को. वी नीड टू लाइक शोभिका बेस्ट लीन बॉडी. थैंक यू. ज्यादातर लोग कहते हैं कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा पतली और अच्छी नहीं लगती, बट यू सेड बेस्ट लीन बॉडी, सो आई विल टेक दैट एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. द मस्टैंग टी इज वेयरिंग यू आर नॉट वेयरिंग इट. ओके.
There's something
Love you, Dia. Vanshaj is here. Vanshaj is here. Multiverse
came like 10 minutes back.
हाँ, मैं
Lots
सारे
of
चार्ट
love
पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ ना.
Thank
शोभिका
you, Jimmy.
वंशज के साथ लाइव, सब बोलते हैं वंशज के साथ लाइव करने के लिए, बट एक्चुअली वंशज का क्या सीन है ना, वंशज फील्स दैट ही इज एक्चुअली टू पॉपुलर फॉर मी, सो ही डजंट टॉक टू मी.
Celebrity बन गया यार.
Yeah. सो वंशज का एक्चुअली क्या सीन रहता है ना कि वंशज को आप डायरेक्टली कॉल नहीं कर सकते हो, आपको वंशज को पहले एक रिंग डालना पड़ता है, बट एक ही रिंग, उससे ज्यादा कर दिए तो देन वो ब्लॉक कर देगा आपको। अब उसको नॉट किडिंग dude, I'm fucking joking. You have to call his assistant and you have to say Waka and then he calls you back.
But Shobika and I are planning to do a stream with Vanshaj.
Yes, we are going to do a stream with Vanshaj and you guys have to come, all of you. यहाँ पे लोग कह रहे हैं that we are excited to see you in Splitsvilla. Not me, but I think they are talking about Dia, and I would also not mind seeing Dia in Splitsvilla.
Want to see me on Splitsvilla?
Bitch, I would fucking pay to see you on Splitsvilla. I would pay money to see you on Splitsvilla. Like, I think you would eat it up. Now that you've done one show as well, like you know what to do. But also like, I feel like there wouldn't have ever been a girl like you on Splitsvilla. Like, I think somewhere I was like that, but then I didn't do anything.
Big compliment, like in a good way. Like, what the fuck?
I've never seen a season where somebody like you, like I think I was there last season who's kind of like you, but I didn't talk. So
Honestly,
किसी को दिखा नहीं वो तो.
What do you mean by I've never seen a personality? Like, what is that some quality?
And I can say this about a lot of people. Like, I've never seen a personality like in a good way. I've not seen a personality like maybe. So like I've seen a couple of people like Akriti, Kashish. Not that they're not individual.
Yeah,
like they are
kind of personalities you're
like
talking
they
about.
are obviously very individual people in their own way. But like like I guess you could kind of you've seen people like that, whereas you're like very Gen Z, very like it's nothing to do with anyone's better or worse than anyone. It's just about like a new type of person, like somebody little bit like Vanshaj is someone you don't see often, like he's also interesting.
Vanshaj is, actually I really fuck with Vanshaj. Like he's really nice.
क्या दिया Splitsvilla गई तो मैं Hotstar का subscription ले लूंगा.
Thank you Arman for being so nice to me.
Guys, look who we have with us
today. Don't try to manipulate her. Okay, Krishna.
Girl, एक तो ये manipulate word सुन के पागल हो गई हूँ मैं. Manipulate क्या होता है? Manipulate आप मुझे बताओ. बड़े लोग आ रखे हैं
कि दोस्ती को मैनिपुलेशन कैसे बोल सकता है कोई भाई?
Sometimes people are like कि यार तू मेरा दोस्त है, तू मेरे लिए like can you help me out? Like manipulate कर रही है, देख manipulate कर रही है. Like I remember there was an episode.
मेरे को याद है घर में जब हमारी दोस्ती like एकदम पीक लेवल पे पहुंच रही थी. I still remember people used to come and tell me कि तू बहुत easily manipulate हो रही है शोभिका से, and sometimes they were like तू बहुत manipulate कर रही है.
But क्या like what benefit would I have of manipulating you? We were like we had no, हम लोग कभी भी same, like till the last 2 weeks we never had any thing where we were against each other. Yeah, your last reel dress was superb. Yeah, it was damn stunning.
Thank you. I got so much hate for it, like I always do.
Dude, I get so much hate. People fucking
hate me. 90% hate comments.
People hate me, dude. They hate the shit out. मैं कुछ भी डालूं ना, like एक दिन मैंने लिखा था मैंने वो रील बनाई थी ना कि फायर ब्रिगेड मंगवा दे तू, तो किसी ने क्या रिप्लाई किया उस पे कि अगर आग लगेगी ना तो मैं तो तुझे मरने देता.
That's absurd.
Sometimes I feel people are too, like the other day somebody messaged me in my DM, very long message, very long chunky message, or going like, Shobika, I feel you require therapy, you should take some time for yourself. And
actually, even I thought that, like in there was this duration where you were only like shit posting and कुछ भी डाल रही थी तो story पे and like on the reels and everything. I was like, I know the thing. But like, क्यों कर रही है ये?
But like, do that. So like, I had started making content probably 2-3 months before Splitsvilla. That was like when I started making my content. And my content was always shit posting only. Like that was always in fact, my first video viral gayi thi, I think, was this video of me like pretending to be a boy and I was from Chandigarh. It was, I don't know, fucking. So my content थोड़ा ऐसा unserious सा ही है. Like I do. But when I come to Bombay, I'm gonna make some of those really nice dance reels, like you and
I can't wait for you to be in
Bombay. Like, girl, I want to make one of those reels that like you make, like in a studio with a full like jaise Akriti makes and like all these. I want to make like a proper reel.
You You know, throughout the show मैं और शोभिका यही बात करती थी कि हम बाहर जाएंगे, इन सबसे दूर जाएंगे, and हम लोग literally एक दूसरे के घर पे पड़े रहेंगे because she lives like 5 minutes away from me. So I was just like, yeah, bro, let's do it. Like styling and fashion
Dude,
and dance.
and you know
And
the
that's
thing, I
really
was super the thing that actually the day that it really hit me that, oh, we're not friends outside was
yeah.
on my birthday. Because my birthday was about 20 days after
Playground.
playground, and I think playground के बाहर आते से ही I don't even think we didn't even hang out too much on the after party.
Because I wasn't
And
drinking, and I
yeah,
was like, I had a fever, and I was like,
I was
I am so
on it, bro. I don't
out
even know.
of it.
Dude, I know Vanshad stole my shirt that day. So I was wearing like this. Okay, I was wearing this. Literally have it. I was wearing this top. It's stuck in my hair dryer. Fuck it. Okay. I was wearing
Hi,
this
Mama.
top.
Ah, yes, I remember which shorts, right?
Yeah, with shorts. And so उसके ऊपर ना मैंने उस दिन हम लोग ने अर्बन क्लैप का वो अर्बन क्लैप तो नहीं क्या है वो क्या कहते हैं उसको अर्बन अर्बन नीड्स
Urban comfort. Oh, urban comfort.
अर्बन नीड्स अर्बन नीड्स का शूट किया हमने एंड आई गॉट 2-3 शर्ट्स उसमें से मेरी सबसे फेवरेट शर्ट थी एक ब्लैक कलर की इसमें यहाँ पे रेड में कुछ तो लिखा हुआ था एंड ये तो पढ़ने वाला लग रहा है एक सेकेंड क्या आप सच में छोटे कपड़े पहनकर प्रेम कमलनाथ जाते हो सोशल मीडिया पर ऐसे तो पंजाब में तो दुनिया खराब कर रहे हो आप ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए अच्छे से रहो मन बंद कर रहो ऐसे नहीं
क्या
मैं आंसर देने लगी क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि कुछ आंसर देने लायक ये चीज होगी बट इनफैक्ट ये आंसर देने लायक चीज ही नहीं है
पूछ रहा होगा ये बंदा बट कुछ भी पूछ
इनफैक्ट इस करंट वीडियो में भी एक तो हम बड़े अच्छे से हमने कपड़े पहने हुए दोनों ने बट आइडियली आपकी बिजनेस नहीं है आइडियली इट्स नॉट योर बिजनेस सो थैंक यू I mean, yes, of course, you should wear certain things at certain places, but again, it's not your business. So, yeah. तो मैं बाहर आई एंड इमीडिएटली आई गेस वी स्टॉप टॉकिंग आफ्टर पार्टी तो चलो वंशज ने मेरी शर्ट चोरी कर ली मैंने साइड पर उतार के रखी थी मैं बाद में पहनूंगी जब मैं थोड़ी ब्लोटेड हो जाऊंगी तो मैं शर्ट पहन लूंगी वंशज ने शर्ट उठा ली व्हाटएवर फॉरगेट उसके बाद 10 days तो मेरे डिप्रेशन में ही कट गया आफ्टर प्लेग्राउंड आई वाज जस्ट फक्ड अप फिर मेरा बर्थडे आया एंड माय बर्थडे वाज कमिंग एंड आई न्यू दैट हिमांशु वाज प्लानिंग लाइक अ सरप्राइज पार्टी फॉर मी एट दैट टाइम एंड तो मेरे को ना था कि यार कोई लड़की आई नहीं है मेरे दोस्त because Rishali was not in town. My other friend from like childhood, she was not in town.
I kind of thought that you would have like partied with Rishali.
Rishali was not in town at that time because I think Usi. Oh, this will give spoilers. But yeah, she was not
texting you on your birthday. But I was like, I've already sent.
I would have texted. I would have texted you on your birthday.
I'd already sent.
हाँ मैंने ना डिलीट कर दिया था चैट ही डिलीट कर दी थी because I was so sad.
तूने देखा ही नहीं and I was like okay bro भाई ठीक है whatever and I was like really heartbroken I'm not gonna lie bro like
I'll tell you so on my birthday like the day of my birthday we were doing like रात को कुछ party type plan था I didn't know what it was because it was a surprise and but I kind of had a idea and मैं बस I was well aware I was kind of we were coming back from somewhere and I remember we were listening to music and stuff and I was just looking out of the window and I was thinking ऑटो में बैठे थे वैसे तो विंडो तो क्या ही चीज है बट हाँ ऑटो से बाहर देख रही थी मैंने सोचा कि यार सब आएंगे I don't know who all will come like probably Vanshaj will come or etc whatever but I knew you wouldn't come like I knew that and I actually just started crying in the auto and Himanshu was like what happened
tell me this like when you call what the fuck did you like
I told you I was so sad
no you told me you didn't see you were crying and like you
yeah like I had like a couple tears come down and he was like what happened and then I was like हाँ birthday पे रोना आ जाता है type of thing and I don't remember
I literally you showed up in my dreams not dreams actually nightmares for the I think
next said nightmares
next 1 month safe it was you. It was no one else from playground because I don't give a fuck about anyone from playground.
This is so romantic, Diya.
And I used to like wake up and I used to talk to him and I used to be like, bro, I really miss her, yaar. And then he used to just be like, ठीक है उसको नहीं बनना दोस्त तो मत बन मतलब क्या मतलब तुम दोनों का नहीं समझ आ रहा मुझे I'm like I've already texted
because we actually connected so much on the
bro.
show. I was like, I told you when I thought of texting you immediately.
Like people are writing some really long paragraphs that were missing.
What? Look, wait, what
आप
the fuck?
दोनों में किसी को हेट
Bro, ये
महसूस हुआ
पढ़ियो
है या
स्टार
फिर
बॉय का
आप
मैसेज
बातें
पढ़ियो
क्या
एक सेकेंड.
दिखाना चाहते हो दुनिया में, क्या आप ऊपर जाना चाहते हो सबसे, तो ऊपर जाना ब्रो ये क्या बोल रहा है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
मॉडरेटर बनाओ किसी को क्या मैं एक सेकेंड.
Wait, what is the moderator? Ouch, the
Uh,
Arman was the last person on my mind, man. मैंने मैंने गिन्नी के बारे में ज्यादा सोचा होगा अरमान से. बट नहीं यार, मैंने एक्चुअली किसी आई एम नॉट इन टच विद एनीवन फ्रॉम प्लेग्राउंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम शोभिका एंड मंचज नाउ. उसके पहले तो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक doing my promotions and like
हाय
working and shit. So,
पिंगू.
Pingu,
हाय भानवी. दिया आपका. अच्छा
आपको
छोड़ो, ये तो नहीं
डांस,
पढ़ना
आपको
है.
स्टूडियो में डांस शूट
इतना
करने.
सच धज के तो मेरी स्ट्रीम पे नहीं आई शोभिका. Dude, I was literally wearing the same makeup and the same earrings on your stream. The exact same makeup, same earrings.
I think you're obsessed with these earrings. Like you have this era where you're like so like you're very obsessed with like one piece
So,
of jewelry
as
that you
of
keep
right now, it's
wearing.
either this earring or the one I'm wearing. But ये
I
पहनने में
need to
कष्ट हो रहा था.
tell them that story where like I found your bag in like Vaibhav's this one. Okay, wait, let me show them.
या प्लेग्राउंड में देखा मैंने, कहते हैं सब डिफिकल्ट होता है. हाँ मतलब यस. शोभिका you're just great. Arman,
So
look at them comments for real.
I basically मुझे like we were unpacking after playground and वैभव का सामान मैं खोल रही थी and I was helping him out and everything and मुझे एक red color का like एक bag मिलता है and I was like this is Shobhika's and I was like being a little sneaky and I was like कुछ अंदर है तो नहीं इसका जरूरी and like you know I can give it back to her, you know like how you're like trying to slide into other people's DMs like oh I think you left your ये blah 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 and then you try to like talk again. वैसा टाइप का मैं सोच रही थी कुछ करने का. तो I was like वैभव do you think I should text her because उसकी चीजें रह गई है. Saying नहीं मैं उसके दोस्त को दे दूंगा like Sachin or someone and then they can give it to her. And then I was like okay. So I opened the bag and there was this ring and this necklace which I can't find, like it's inside somewhere. So these two things, I was like, okay, I'm never giving this back to her because this will be like a nishani for me.
Oh my god, dude, this ring, I love this
No,
ring.
I'm not giving it
No,
to you anyway.
you can have it, but like I'm happy that it's not lost. I'm just happy that it's not lost.
It's so sweet, bro. Like it's like a nishani for me, like my time with Shobhika in playgrounds.
This is my favorite ring, and I actually almost got lost buying this ring because I'd gone for a girls trip and we were somewhere and we needed, हम लोग किसी ना एक shop, not shopping area, but we'd gone to a sort of district जहाँ पे ऐसे छोटी छोटी दुकानें types होती है, and वहां पे जाने के लिए we needed to take a train from where we were actually staying. और वो ट्रेन के आने से 15 मिनट पहले मेरे को कहीं पे दिखा एंड आई बॉट इट एंड माय फ्रेंड्स वर लाइक कि ब्रो हम तो ट्रेन पे जा रहे, तू तो पक्का ही छोड़ देगी ट्रेन. एंड आई रैन एंड इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग आल्सो एंड आई जस्ट मेड द ट्रेन लाइक ऐसे एंड दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट दिस रिंग. Sachin, it's Sachin Sharma done.
How you अच्छा, I think it's
बहुत चीजें बोली यार लोगों ने बीच बीच में. ओके, सो एवरीवन वाज रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर द लाइव एंड दे आर सेइंग दे वांट टी. तो गाइस ऐसा करो कि आप क्वेश्चंस भेजो, हम आंसर करेंगे क्योंकि हमें क्या पता है कि आपको क्या जानना है. हम तो वही बता रहे हैं जो हमें इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. हम ऑलरेडी वही बातें कर रहे हैं जो हमें इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही हैं. सो डेफिनेटली आप बताओ ताकि हम वो बातें कर सके जो आपको इंटरेस्टिंग
अच्छे
लगे.
मसालेदार क्वेश्चंस पूछो लाइक व्हाट द हेल.
गाइस गेट समथिंग न्यू या कुछ नया सवाल पूछो यार लड़कों.
सवाल चल रहा है पूरे लाइफ
एक ही पूरे लाइफ से
करते जा रहे हैं.
ignore the questions like ignore your problems like Diya and Shobhika are ignoring the questions. Bro, literally Shobhika, what's written on the wall? Acha, this is like, oh, so my cousin, he wrote this for me the other day when I was like ranting about something. He wrote this on my wall and it says act your net worth.
What?
It says
net worth.
Act your net worth.
Ooh. Ooh, I like that.
Because he said some rapper was talking to some producer at some point, and they were having a conversation, and that rapper was like, "यार वो मेरे बारे में इतना बोल रहा है, मुझे उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहिए." And then the producer was like, "Act your net worth."
I like
And he
it.
made me write it on my wall.
I
It
need
needs
to
to be
put
on
it
a
on my wall.
short, bro. It needs to. भाई आप reply नहीं करते. Mysterious 0004 कर दिया reply. Yes, we very much missed each other. हमारे सवालों की प्रॉब्लम होती है ना. आप ये समझो कि हम अकेले ही बने हैं दुनिया. अरे यार ये तो वही है.
ये आई थिंक थोड़ा फिलोसॉफिकल बंदा है और ये मैं समझ नहीं पा रही हूँ इसको. दीदू एक बार बात कर लो. आई एम योर बिगेस्ट फैन दिया दी. थैंक यू प्राइवेट स्माइल 02.
You guys fought so much after Playground finale. We actually did not fight at all. It was actually a very sad parting. We had no fight. We just kind of had one or two messages exchanged and then we didn't talk. It was very depressing actually. There was no fight at all. Probably it would have been easier if we fought because we would have fixed it there and then, I think. But
and she was in London by the time we could actually. Were you in London?
yeah, I was in London when I.
But like she ended up texting me because she found out about something, and I was like,